For you to drop it, remember? Here, wait, you want to have
Alright, that's true.
Got it.
Very cool.
And it's even got sheet music on the...
How cute. Where's the trumpet? I know, we got a saxophone, a cello, and a piano.
Alright guys, we got a little special for her. It's called Ouzo.
What is Ouzo?
Licorice.
No. Licorice.
It's not alcohol, is
It is.
No.
No.
Oh, no.
Sorry.
Alright, if it's not her, somebody else gotta take it.
Oh,
How about you? How about you?
Hey, I'll take it.
I'm the
Michelle
server.
will take it. Watch her sing and change.
Alright guys, when she gonna take it, everybody gotta say Opa.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, you probably want to put that down somewhere, huh?
Watch her face turn red as the mic. My shoes are on fire.
Can you see him?
Like a little water?
All right.